Good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from the great state of Maine. Welcome to my shop this morning. I wore some color this week. Last week I had all green on. Green shirt, green t-shirt, green hat. I had 2 or 3 comments wondering if I was St. Patrick. Or if it was St. Patrick's Day. So anyways, we wore some color today. I want to do a shout out video this week. I don't do them very often. But this week I got a gift in the mail, a very special gift from a longtime subscriber of this channel. And not only a longtime subscriber, but not only a longtime subscriber, but a real supporter of the channel. And I have got some great people in the background that are helping to support this channel. And they're on the regular YouTube channel as well as on the Patreon channel. And this particular subscriber is on both. And he's been a part of the channel, I don't even know for how many years. And he sent me a gift this week. He sent me some fishing tackle probably 4 years ago for the boys, and they're loving the heck out of it. So I want to do a shout out this week to HomeStead Edman. Car going by. HomeStead Edman. If you guys are into homesteading or the outdoors, especially about the state of Maine, Edman, go check out his channel. I really want you, if you're watching this video, go check out HomeStead Edman. Go up into the search bar, type in HomeStead Edman. And I will put down in the description, actually on the screen, I'll make sure to write him in there, and then I will go down and put a copy in the description part of this video for HomeStead Edman. He does everything in there from fiddlehead picking to clamming here in the state of Maine. He has another plant he goes out and gets. Can't remember the name of it right now, but he's got some great videos on his channel. So go check him out. But let's see what he gave me. One thing that I use a lot of, and I was really surprised what was in this box. He sent me an email a couple of weeks ago and said, I need your address, I'm going to send you a gift. And I couldn't imagine for the life of me what you were sending me, Edman. So anyway, he sent me a fillet knife. Even when I got the box, I couldn't imagine, when I got it out of the mail, I couldn't imagine what was in the box. So anyways, it's a really nice fillet knife. So thank you very much, Edman. This is one of those things where when I get fishing for my white perch, I use a fillet knife a lot. So thank you, thank you, thank you. For those of you that want to know what it is, I do believe that there was I have the book, and I do believe that there was a website for this thing. And I don't actually know how to pronounce it, but I can show it to you as good as I can. See that? It says DDF. I don't have my glasses on. IOHEF. DDFIOHEF. So if you want to check, they had a whole bunch of knives in the I'm looking on the back here, see if the website's on the back of this box. Probably is. But anyways, go check it out. And I just wanted to thank you, Edman. I did send you an email. I'm going to get back with you later on today and make sure that you got my email, because I enjoyed writing it. And it was a pretty long email. So If you don't get my email today, Edman, check your junk mail. While we're here, I had a funny story this week told to me by my father and thought I would share it with you guys. We went and visited my father and mother over the weekend, and we got, for whatever reason, he started talking about blue jeans, dungarees. And he said when he was growing up, you know, everybody nowadays wears dungarees. He said when he was growing up, the only time you wore dungarees was when it was time to shovel the manure out of the barn. They were barn clothes because they were tough, rugged, and all that, but they were barn clothes. And I thought, well, I never heard that, never heard of that. And then he says that's why they're called dungarees. So it made sense to me, you know. And if you look back, especially here in the state of Maine, if you go back 100 years ago, people didn't even go to town without putting on a full suit. You know, back at the early 1900s, you didn't go to town in your farm clothes. You went to town dressed up. If you had to go to the store, you got dressed up to go to the store. So that made a lot of sense when he got talking about barn clothes and dungarees. So I kind of thought I would throw that in here this morning, just because it had nothing to do with Homestead Edman, other than it's another Maine thing, I guess. Maybe it's in other parts of the country, I don't know. But anyways, like I said, Homestead Edman, his name says it all. He has chickens, he has all kinds of stuff in there. So go check him out. Good morning to you, Edman. And thank you very much for being a part of this channel and all of the support that you do for the East Grand Woodsman. So you guys have a sip of coffee with me on your way out. And I'm going to get going on my day. Take off this pretty colored shirt, put on a green one, and get my day going. There you go. Holy smokes.